Primary consumer research, point 6, researching your consumer in more depth. So for point 6, we're asking you to do primary, your own consumer research and self-directed study. Conduct active, going out onto the streets, research into your brand, retailer's consumer. Visit some of your retailer's store and collect short clips of film to create a 20 to 30 second reel providing a visual overview of your consumer. You should provide 5 to 10 bullet points to support this reel, analysing who your consumer is. You should compare your own primary findings with your secondary ChatGPT research and from WGSN. Did your own research confirm or contradict the information generated by ChatGPT? We will discuss this further another week. So remember, you're doing your secondary consumer research, which is using ChatGPT, LSN and WGSN for point 5. And for this point, your primary consumer research, point 6, you're taking short clips to create a 20 to 30 second reel giving an overview of your consumer. So tips. You could use Instagram or TikTok to create your reel. Just download it and insert it into your PowerPoint on Canva presentation. It should be about 20 to 30 seconds max. It should be made up of short films you've created of your consumer. You could get reels from inside and outside your store or on key fashion hotspots as well. Try to talk to staff or consumers to gather your own primary research that you can note down to complement this. Ask yourself, was ChatGPT in the previous point accurate? What can you add or update with your profile? Perhaps you want to give point 6 a new name. No, you don't need to update point 5 secondary research. You're now doing your own research on top of this. So something like this. Maybe you could update the title of your point 5 consumer and see if that information was correct. Ella, for example, did hers, so she's done an overview of her secondary consumer, her AI, and then what she's done really nicely here is included her reel there beside it. So along with her reel, she has also done a couple of bits of her own analysis and analysed what it was like in comparison to her ChatGPT research. Jodie's done the same thing, lots of her chat AI for point 5, done a visual overview, a bit more information about the consumer, primary consumer stuff, and then included her reel at the end as well. So this should be done in your self-directed study. So you should have your reels ready for next week. So doing it in your self-directed study over the next few days and into your week, into your weekend. So that's point 5, and you're doing your secondary consumer research, which hopefully you've done in class. But point 6, your primary consumer is going out and getting this active video clips. So that's all the work for your consumers.